you exactly how you can rebuild trust after infidelity, after cheating, after hurting your partner. So I'm going to share with you 4 steps which you can use to rebuild trust. And I guarantee that if you use these steps correctly, you will be able to rebuild trust in your partner's eyes. So watch this video till the end. This is going to be very, very helpful. Number one, the first step is you have to be honest. Don't argue, don't defend yourself. Just be honest. If you have hurt your partner, or if you have cheated on them, just be honest about it. Tell them, explain to them why you cheated. Explain to them what led you to cheat on them. Explain to them why you hurt them. Explain what caused you to cheat on them. You have to really sincerely explain why you cheated on them. And you have to be just honest. You have to share everything. You have to be open. That's the first step. You have to be honest. You have to be honest. You have to tell them exactly why you cheated on them. You have to tell them why you decided to hurt them. And also, you have to, you know, you have to go deep. You have to go really deep. What really caused you to cheat on them? What went in your mind? What went through your mind? What were you thinking at that time? What's going on in your life right now? You know, what are your intentions? What do you want from life? Like, you have to share everything with your partner. You have to tell them exactly why you cheated on them. You have to share your story. You have to tell them everything. What caused you to cheat? Why you cheated? What were your intentions? You know, um, did any bad event happen in your life? Like, you have to tell them everything. That's the first step. The number 2 thing is you have to be apologetic. You have to apologize to your partner, and your apology must be sincere. It shouldn't be like, oh, I am sorry, I'm not cheat again. No, sincere apology. You have to be apologetic sincerely. Your apology should be sincere, right? Sincere. So you have to apologize, and you have to be really sincere. Like, your apology should have emotion in it. Your apology should feel like it's a real apology, right? It shouldn't be like, oh, I am sorry. That's not a real apology. Your apology should be sincere. It should be a real apology, really emotional. Like, it should come from your heart. Like, it should be real, right? You should, your apology should be real, right? And the number 3 thing is you have to be remorseful. You know, you have to accept your mistake. Don't argue, don't defend yourself. Don't say things like, oh, I didn't cheat on you. I didn't cheat on you. You are thinking wrong. No, just be honest. Like I said, you have to be honest, and you have to accept your mistake. You have to accept what you did. You have to accept that you cheated, right? You have to tell them, okay, I cheated on you. I will never, ever cheat on you again. So you have to be remorseful. You have to, show to your partner that not only they are hurt by you cheating on them, but you are also hurt by you cheating on them. Like, you have to show to them that you care. You have to show to them that you are really hurt by cheating on them. You have to show to them that you have made a huge mistake and that you will never make this mistake again. Like, you have to show to them that they are the most important person in the world to you, right? You have to show this to them. um so you have to be remorseful, right? You have to um be really remorseful. You have to show to them that you will never ever cheat on them again. And the way you do that, the way you show them that you will never ever cheat again on them, is by doing the exact opposite of what you did. So you cheated on them, right? You cheated on them, you had an affair with someone else. So now you have to do the opposite of what you did. So you cheated on them, you had an affair with someone else. Now, the person you had an affair with, you have to bring that person to your home, or you can just text them. You have to say to them, I am never talking to you again. I will never ever talk to you again. I don't like you. I made a mistake. I don't like you. I have no interest in you. Don't talk to me again. And I only love my partner. I don't love you. I don't want to have a relationship with you. Goodbye. If you can bring that person to your home, that's great, so that you can say to them all of this in front of your partner. But if you can text them, that will be okay too, right? So what I'm saying is, you have to do the exact opposite of what you did. So you cheated on your partner, right? You had an affair with someone else, right? So now what you have to do is, you have to bring that person you had an affair with to your home. And then you have to say to them that you don't want to have a relationship with them, and that you are not, like you don't like them, and you don't want to have a relationship with them. You only love your partner. And you have to say all of this in front of your partner, to them, to that person, right? To the person you had affair with. So you have to say all of this to that person in front of your partner. So that way your partner can, believe, so that way your partner can be confident enough that yes, you are, that yes, you have learned from your mistake, and that, you will never talk to that person again, and that you are only, that you only love them, and that you only care for them, and that you will never ever make this mistake again. So that's what you have to do. So yeah, these are 4 steps. Number one, you have to be honest. You have to be honest. You have to, you know accept your mistake. Number two, you have to, you really have to um be apologetic. You have to apologize. Your apology should be sincere. It should be real. Number three, you have to be remorseful. And you have to show to them that you will never ever make this mistake again, by doing the opposite of what you did. So if you had an affair with someone else, now what you have to do is, you have to say to that person that you don't want to have an affair with them, that you don't like them, and that you don't want to have a relationship with them, and that you will never ever talk to them again, and that you made a mistake, and that you only love your partner. And you have to say all of this to that person in front of your partner, so that your partner, can see that, that you have learned from your mistake, and that you will never ever cheat on them again, so that they can see that you only love them, so that they can see that you have no longer, you are no longer interested in the third person, right? So you have to do all of this in front of your partner so that they can know that you only love them, not, so that they can know that you have no interest in the third person. So that's all you have to do. If you follow all of these steps correctly, I can guarantee that you will be able to rebuild trust. Rebuilding trust is one of the hardest things, but if you follow these steps correctly, you will be able to rebuild trust. Now, if you want my personal coaching where I actually help you, um, follow all of these steps, where I actually help you rebuild trust, basically, I coach people, those people who are about to lose their marriages, those people who are struggling to rebuild trust after cheating or after being cheated on, whatever. I help them um, save their marriages. I help them rebuild trust by personally coaching them, by, you know, doing all the work for them, right? Like, by you know by taking their situation and um helping them save their marriage, helping them rebuild trust. So if you want my personal coaching, I offer a 4-month coaching program where basically I in 4 months I will be able to help you rebuild trust. I will be able to help you save your marriage. I will be able to help you, you know, again, I will be able to help you fix the relationship, fix the broken relationship. I will be able to help you, um, you know, make things good again, right? It's a 4-month package, 4-month program. And I guarantee that that after 4 months, you and your partner will be living happily. You will have your marriage saved, and you will be able to rebuild trust. So it's a 4-month package. It's a 4-month program, um, and yeah, I guarantee that your relationship will be fixed after 4 months. So, highly recommend you that if you are about to lose a marriage, or if you are struggling to rebuild trust in your partner's eyes, go ahead, DM me on Instagram or on WhatsApp. My Instagram username is in the description box. My WhatsApp number is in the description box. Go ahead, DM me. We will set up a call and then we can start this program. And I guarantee after 4 months, you will have your relationship saved. Right? I have helped multiple people in the past do just that. Go ahead, DM me on Instagram. I can show you my testimonials there too. And with that being said, take care. God bless you. Peace.